hopefully we can turn this pile of rocks into something pretty. Stay tuned to find out. Alright guys, welcome back to those who have been following along with this playlist. If you're a new viewer, there's a lot of videos before this one that got us to where we are. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and check out this playlist. But anyway, we are into building this wall. And with any kind of boulder work, natural stone work, it's really just by placing things out, checking them out, seeing how they look, messing with them, and just kind of fine-tuning things here and there. So as you're going to see through this video, it's really just a matter of playing with the stones that you got and really just using what you got. You're not always going to have the perfect match, so you got to just kind of play with the stones that you have and make them fit the best way possible. So let's just get right into it, guys, in regular time. Alright everyone, sorry it's been mostly time-lapse this morning, just been kind of trying to move on this project with the boulders. So here's where we are. It does look really nice. The thing about this boulder work is it's usually never said and done right off the bat. You just kind of got to lay it out quickly, see what you got. It does look good. There are a few flaws that we notice when we go back and look at it. This is a nice curve here. These first 3 or 4 stones are pretty good, and I think we're going to be leaving those. But right here, this stone jets out a little bit, and the curve is really just, it's a little bit more tight here than it is over there. The other thing we noticed is that this rock right here, I think needs to be moved over to be more center of the center. So we're going to open this curve up a little bit, bring this rock forward, but also we're going to slide it over one. So when we inch that rock forward a little bit, we're going to put maybe another smaller one over here and then move this over a little bit. We're going to be shifting really from here over. Alright guys, so as you can see, we've been messing with everything, fine-tuning it, making it look better. That big sitting rock just wasn't centered enough in our eyes, so we decided to mess with it the way that we are now, and it ended up coming out a lot better. So like I said at the beginning of this video, it's really, you know, you need patience, and you just need to kind of have a good eye for this kind of work. You lay some things out, step back, see how it looks, and make any kind of changes that you have to from there. So we're at that point where this whole right side up to that middle point is good. It's all set. So we're just kind of laying out the left side now. did that thing just land, bud?
Yep.
See how it goes at a point like that? I need some in the front here. Alright guys, I had to switch the battery up, but a little bit more done. Coming together. What do you think, Benny? Boulder. Wow. Boulder pow wow. Alright, I don't know about you guys, but I love the sitting rock in the back with the two angles. Looks pretty cool. The day's drawing to a near. Drawing to a near, Benny. Did you hear that? It's drawing to a near, the day. Oh man, it's coming to an end. It's beautiful out though, huh? Mm-hmm. Nice 70-degree something day, dude. Yep. Alright guys, I'll pop you back on the Mini. Keep working. It most certainly was a beautiful day. It's March right now. I'm making this video. This was a job in 2021. It's March 2022 now. And I'm finally able to put some of these videos together. So I did want to take a minute and say thank you to the subscribers, to the people who support in this channel so far. I can't thank you enough. Got a little over 600 subscribers right now, and I'm very grateful for every single one of you guys. So hope you're enjoying the video, and if you're a new viewer, make sure you hit that like and subscribe for me. Alright guys, we're going to try to put our last stone. Get that big one over there. We're going to try to make our cornerstone on this side. Then step back, look at it, make sure we're good. Corner's got to come up a lot. I'm going to see if I can just pluck it, lift it up, we'll put a bunch of stone. lift it up more, but just put it on the right side.
Only on the right side?
Oh! Alright, I lost the grip. There we go. That's what we needed, Benny. There we go. Take it on back right there. Back there, right there. You know, me and Benny always love to have some fun on the job, guys. If you're not having fun while you're working, then you kind of get sick of what you're doing pretty quick, that's for sure. Me and Ben enjoy our days and enjoy what we're doing. It's all about making the best of it. But we got our boulders set in, and they are good to go. We did a little rough grading of the 3/4, and now I'm just going to clean all the rocks off, get all the dirt off of them, and leave it for the customer to for the night to look at it and give us the confirmation in the morning so that we can start building the back of the boulders up. A little bit of a back wall, which I'll explain in a minute here. And just make sure you stay to the end and you can see what I'm talking about. Hey guys, the boulders around the fire pit I think is done, unless a customer or a boss don't like anything about it. But I like it. So on the back side here, some of them are really just straight up, so we want to fill in the holes behind it with some smaller stones to kind of fade the wall in, kind of like this side right here. We had a couple extra pieces, but this is pretty much what we want to do around the whole thing, so that from the side looks like it's just kind of faded down. So probably gonna bring about 18 or so medium-sized rocks like these ones, and we'll place them in all these spots where we kind of need them, so the boulder wall actually looks a little bit thicker as well throughout the whole thing. I think this job's coming along nicely. What day is this here, Benny? 2?
Day 2.
Day 2 here. Good progress.
Day 1 was a rain day.
Yeah. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna it's about 4:15 or so like that. We're gonna go to the shop, maybe put aside the smaller stones we need for the morning. Good morning, everyone. Back on the boulder job. The boulder job. Sound like Pat Gibbons.
Mini boulders. Yeah, this thing's tight.
Anything to say this morning, Benny? I'm just gonna keep asking you every day.
About what?
I don't know. Anything to say?
No.
Nothing?
Other than this fucking thing ain't coming out.
You know, you're making me have to put bleeps in all these videos.
Oh, my bird.
My boy.
There we go, I got it.
Got it. All right.
Talk like that.
Yeah, we should make that the theme for the day. Talking like Pat when he lost his voice. Hey, we're on the boulder job.
Big boulders, small boulders, medium boulders,
All sizes, all size boulders.
square boulders.
So there we are. As I was telling you yesterday, we got pea stone, and mixed in with all that pea stone is a bunch of medium-sized rocks. And when I say mixed in, they mixed in, boy. I don't know if that was really the best idea to do with that stone, Benny, but it's a beautiful day. Birds are chirping. Benny, what's the weather? Said 59?
59,
I don't think so, bud. My shoulders are telling me about 72. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, we are coming to an end of building the boulder backdrop of this fire pit area. This next video is going to be us building the granite fire pit that you see a little bit laid out here. So we're going to build that up, and we're going to backfill the rest with this pea stone. And then the video after that's going to be us doing the cobblestone work in front of the fire pit to make a full circle. So make sure you hit that subscribe button to see the rest of these videos. And again, I appreciate the support from you all. And I guess until the next video, guys, God bless.